You're watching this video because you know a full custom home is not for you. You still want the personal touch and high quality finishes that come with one of our homes. But the time and budget demands of designing it from scratch don't meet your needs. We get it. For that reason, understanding the total cost of your project is crucial. In this video, we'll break down the 3 key factors that will give you a clear picture of how much a fast-track modern home will cost. Welcome to our pricing guide on fast-track modern semi-custom homes in Northern Virginia. I am Francisca Alonso, and I'm excited to help you navigate the cost of your dream home project. Let's dive into the details. We'll organize our discussion into 3 main components: construction costs, lot costs, and site costs. First, we have construction costs, which cover everything from the foundation to the finishing touches. When you compare our fast-track modern homes with our full custom homes, you'll notice that the main difference in price is in this area. On average, fast-track modern costs 15% less than a full custom home. That is because we are able to save time and money in the design phase by using a pre-designed floor plan. We like to break down the price ranges based on the total square footage. You can pause to read that now. Next up, we have lot costs, which include realtor fees, the purchase price of the lot, and closing costs. The cost of your lot largely depends on the area that you're interested in and the size you need for your home. In Northern Virginia, they typically range between $750,000 to $1.8 million. Realtor fees can vary from agent to agent and from deal to deal. However, those fees are typically paid for by the seller, so it won't affect your bottom line. According to CNBC, closing costs typically range between 2 to 6% of the purchase price. Finally, we have site costs, which can range from 10 to 20% of the construction cost. These expenses depend on the lot's condition and may include dirt removal or addition, tree removal, utility installations, landscaping, and driveway construction. So if your construction cost is $2.8 million, you can expect the cost to range between $210,000 to $420,000. Before we conclude, you're also going to want to explore additional customization options. These could include extra garage space, additional fireplaces, covered outdoor spaces, outdoor kitchens, pools, or pool houses. Be aware that there are not as many available customization options as with our full custom service, because we can't change the footprint of the house. If you want a comprehensive list of the customizations that we can do with your fast-track modern home, download our guide where we go into detail. Now that you have a better understanding of how to estimate the cost of your fast-track modern semi-custom home, reach out to us for a personalized consultation. We hope this video has provided valuable insights into the cost considerations of your dream home project. Remember, your dream home is closer than you think, and we're here to guide you every step of the way.